we of course have the ability to rename our player as well. So at the moment it's called Joe's Chrome OS player. It no longer is a Chrome OS player. To rename this player, we're going to come to this same tab here. We've clicked on our player. We're going to go to the site and contact details tab. And now we have the ability to change the name of our player. And you can also add your address information. And why that's useful is because if you were using a weather app, for example, if you set your weather app to use your player address, then it's going to pull your address details from the site details right here. But what I'm going to do is change this to Joe's idea player. I have filled in all of the other fields on this page. So I've put in my city, I've put in my country, I've put in my postcode and my country. Sorry, that was my county. So I've put in my county and I've put my country in. I'm now going to hit save. And as you can see, if I go up to the top here, it has saved that name onto the player itself.